Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking with me, Anuradha. This morning we're going to the Mediterranean with a lovely hummus platter and wonderful Middle Eastern flavors. So we're going to begin this dish with the famous Middle Eastern dip called hummus. And to make hummus, we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of tahini paste. Now tahini, you might know, is actually sesame seeds that's been blended in olive oil, and tahini on its own has actually got a very bitter taste, but when blended and added to lots of other ingredients, it adds such a rich, deep, flavorful creaminess. And to the tahini, I'm going to add some lemon juice, about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and we'll just blend the tahini and lemon juice together until it's really nice and creamy for a few minutes. So I'm just going to add a little bit more lemon juice so that it gets really nice and creamy quite easily. Okay, that's looking perfect. We're going to add the rest of our ingredients. I've got a whole can of cooked chickpeas that we're going to add. And this is actually the basis of hummus, the chickpea. And to this, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're just going to blend this again together. For a few more minutes. Right, so let's check our consistency. Okay, I'm quite happy. And to season it, we're going to add a little bit of hing, maybe half a teaspoon of hing, and some salt for taste. I think I will put in about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Of course, you can add as required. And some freshly ground black pepper. I like to be a little bit liberal with the black pepper because I'm not using chili right now. So let's put it back in and give it one final mix. And our hummus is ready. Make sure you have lots of spoons and lots of serving dishes available so that when you are eating, you're just dipping and enjoying whatever the Mediterranean has to offer.
Welcome back. Time does fly when you're having fun. We've reached the tail end of the program now, and Kugan and Lokesh ji are standing by with more nourishment for our body and our soul.